I went to the interview, but only the problem is one question, Arabic question, I no answer. Tangina. You know what happened? I in the interview, I go interview because me looking. 1 minute. Ana mo jud Qibla pa Kuwait. Yes, this one. Qibla Kuwait. This one Qibla Tower. Yes. So continue story, no. I go interview two Arab inside, maybe one Kuwaiti, one Egyptian, and one Filipino. My shout out to you, brother. I go interview because I know no have job 2 months already. 2 months no have job. But then my brother, the Filipino guy, tell me Cuscobulo have work, but the salary is small. But for me, no choice, no looking now, because I'm looking, but then I go universe because no house rental, no money, have, but little budget left. Yeah, no more big money now, small money now, savings little. Yes. But then I go interview, but then I go inside. But then asking what experience you Cuscobulo work before. I tell Kalam Kulo Bulo, I work like this, I like this I work, but not related. Telling the interview, oh, this one no relate. So maybe like me no good, telling me no good because no related. Yes, but I tell no, I have, because yani monthly I have like this, I have inventory because I apply for the inventory control. Like this, I have monthly inventory. But then telling you work in the construction, but we are in the food, in the akil. I telling I work also in the Matam. I work in the restaurant. Like this, expire. So we checking expire. So we checking food. But then baladia like this. But then there is one question, one word. But so sad. This word, I'm too much long time in Arab country. But this word, this the first time I hear the word. But I mean, I hear the word, but not the translation in the English. They ask me like, when baitak inta, baitak. That one is baitak is a Kuwaiti word. But in the Egyptian, there is one word when the Egyptian baitak. And then I found out that baitak, sino hada mean? I'm long time in Middle East, but I don't know the English of baitak. That's why when the interview Cuscobulo, when baitak inte, now I just learned that baitak, the English of baitak is address. What the fuck? The location, like address, like location, man. Kalas, I go down. Mungkin kalas, my interview kalas down. Putang ina, mother chut. Sinada. No good. No interview mungkin no good. Interview mungkin down. Mungkin I fail because only one question Arabic I know answer. Pagkita mother chud, man. So I'm no lucky. Sinada. I'm alatol no lucky. Why like this? Oh my goodness. Now after 15 years, baitak is the English of baitak is address or location. Shit, man. They kalam, they asking one Arabic word, but so sad, this word no Arab me. No me. Shit. Fuck me. Oh my goodness. Kalas when I go Because you know, because me also, if me interview you, you don't know, kalas, you down, maybe no chance for you, maybe before 100%, maybe 60%, because you no answer. Mother chud. Oh my goodness, kalas, mungkin me again, kalas, no work, again finding, sinahada man, mata chud. Okay, that way you go interview, you alatol memorize Arabic, because no Arabic you, because no idilis Arabic no, so that why you kalam Arabic, because mapi Arabic you do down. Okay, kalas, good luck. So we looking now, me mo jud merkab. Okay, bye, follow for more jobless life in me days. Oh my goodness, 2 months man.